Step 1. Oil your hair. Gently apply oil to your scalp and hair. Massage it well and leave it for 30 minutes. Step 2. Prepare the flax seed gel. Take one bowl. Add 1 glass of water into it. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of flax seeds. Mix it well. Step 3. Boil the mixture. Start boiling the water with flax seeds on low flame. Stir slowly and keep mixing. After some time, you will notice the water becoming thicker. Step 4. Check the consistency. Take a spoon and dip it into the boiling mixture. Then, lift the spoon and check with your fingers. If you see a thread-like texture, your flax gel is ready. If not, boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. Step 5. Strain the gel. Once the thread-like texture appears, switch off the flame. Let it cool for 10-15 minutes. Take a clean cotton cloth and place it over a bowl. Pour the flax seed mixture into the cloth and squeeze. The gel will collect in the bowl below. Step 6. Apply to hair. Let the gel cool down completely. Part your hair and apply the gel evenly to your scalp and hair. Cover every strand properly. Step 7. Let it sit. Leave it on for 30 minutes. After that, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Step 8. See the results. Your hair will feel soft, shiny, and nourished naturally.